Hey there, and welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial video. For today, I'm going to be showing you the possibilities for all you car lovers out there for using Midjourney in order to generate the perfect AI image of your car-loving dream. So first things first, if you aren't aware, you can use Midjourney in order to generate AI-generated images from text. It really is intuitive in order to integrate Midjourney into your Discord, and once you've done so, you can simply feed it chat prompts from Discord in order to generate images for you. So first things first, in order to generate images with Midjourney on Discord, you want to start a conversation with the bot, then type in the command /imagine with a prompt following that command line. For the purposes of this video, let's ask it to generate a GTR. And as you can see, with a few simple lines of text, we now have 4 variations of a beautiful GTR, all original and generated by Midjourney for us. Now, we can also specify more details with our prompts. For example, we can type /imagine, and instead of just typing GTR, we can type GTR shot on a Canon EOS R5. You can even type in the lines --AR 16:9 in order to choose the aspect ratio for the AI generated image. But we can also be even more specific than that initial prompt. For example, we can have a new prompt with the GTR a front view shot on a Canon EOS R5 80mm lens driving on New York street with motion blur. As you can see, these prompts can be quite long and quite specific to whatever you are imagining. Now, let's try editing some settings with Midjourney. By typing /settings, you'll open up the settings list that you can edit the Midjourney settings with. For now, let's try a more realistic image by choosing a low stylized view and choosing an older model of Midjourney, specifically version 4. Now, let's try giving it a new prompt, this time a Lambo with night shots with lights and reflection on a 50mm Canon EOS 5D. Same aspect ratio, but this time with version 4. And as you can see, with a lower stylized option and an older Midjourney model, we have a more realistic shot of a Lamborghini. These are just a few examples of the things that you can do in order to generate AI images of cars. That's all we really have for today, and congratulations, you now have the basics of using Midjourney to generate some beautiful car renders. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one.